all the way to the Arboretum, kind of looking for man-made things that help control the water in a watershed. And usually those are things that kind of get overlooked. So they're things like manhole covers, water towers, culverts, things like that. And it's really cool for the kids to see and recognize things that they see every day but don't really observe and don't really know. And they were really excited, really competitive about it. So.
Yesterday we got to visit the Benner Springs Fish Hatchery. It was a really cool experience for the kids to get to see how chemistry and biology and water resources and some engineering interact when you're actually on a watershed. There was professionals in chemistry, biology, and just some of the folks that maintain the facility who talked to us about their day-to-day concerns and some of the science that goes into their daily decisions and how to maintain a fishery that is important to the Pennsylvania economy and is just really neat scientific information. We had a chemist who talked about treating the water to maintain a permit system at some very high level degree of sophistication, and the kids actually got to spend the end of the field visit feeding the fish, which the fish came up to the surface, were excited, the kids were excited. It was a great way to end the day.
So right now, students in Water Heroes Camp are testing water samples that they brought from their home for parameters like turbidity, alkalinity, different free metals and chlorine to see if their water is safe to drink.
One of the big things that I'm hoping that the campers learn and take with them in this camp is that they tie together some of the big picture items, such as what are watersheds, what are landforms, what are the effects of forests or urban areas on watershed, with some of the smaller scale technical things that they're doing in the lab, such as water quality, how to analyze water quality, and the decisions that you make in the watershed on a day-to-day basis, and then ultimately how they impact the water quality in the river. So I'm hoping that they tie together the small things and the really big things in this lab.